Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about physical properties of group 16, 17 and 18. In previous lecture we studied occurrence of elements, electronic configuration of elements and atomic properties of group 16, 17 and 18. Now today we study physical properties of group 16, 17 and 18. First, group 16 elements physical properties. Oxygen is a gas while other elements are solid at room temperature. Oxygen and sulfur are non-metals. Selenium and tellurium are metalloids while polonium is metal. Then second, group 17 elements, halogen family. Fluorine, chlorine are gases. Bromine is a liquid and iodine is a solid at room temperature. In iodine chamber, small balls of iodine are present. This iodine chamber is used for TLC, thin layer chromatography, for detection of radicals or color of radicals. Fluorine and chlorine react with water. Bromine and iodine are sparingly soluble in water. Sparingly soluble means they are lower soluble in water and soluble in various organic solvents such as chloroform, carbon disulfide, carbon tetrachloride, hydrocarbon, which gives colored solution. Then bond dissociation enthalpies of halogen molecules. Then what is meant by bond dissociation enthalpy? The amount of energy required to homolytic fracture of chemical bond or amount of energy required to homolytic cleavage of chemical bond. The halogen molecule follows the order like chlorine-chlorine bond have greater bond dissociation enthalpies than bromine-bromine bond. Bromine-bromine bond have greater bond dissociation enthalpy than fluorine-fluorine bond, and fluorine-fluorine have greater bond dissociation enthalpies than iodine-iodine. Then third one is the group 18th element, noble gases. Noble gases are monoatomic. They are sparingly soluble in water. Noble gases have very low melting and boiling point. Then next is the anomalous behavior. Anomalous behavior. Then what is mean by anomalous behavior? Anomalous means different from others or different from accepted. Means अलग behavior. Anomalous means अलग behavior. जैसे कि हर एक फैमिली में जो सेकेंड पीरियड के एलिमेंट को देखते हैं, किसको? सेकेंड पीरियड एलिमेंट, तो उनकी जो प्रॉपर्टी होती है वो बाकी के फैमिली मेम्बर से काफ़ी अलग होती है. जैसे फर्स्ट ग्रुप ले लेंगे, उसमें जो पहला एलिमेंट है लिथियम, उसके बगल में आता है बेरिलियम, बोरॉन, कार्बन, नाइट्रोजन, ऑक्सीजन, फ्लोरीन, नियॉन. ये सब की जो बिहेवियर है वो अपने फैमिली मेम्बर से अलग है. ठीक है, ये थोड़ा अलग बिहेवियर करते हैं. क्यों? इसके पीछे कारण है, वो आज हम सीखेंगे. तो फर्स्ट, anomalous behavior of oxygen. Oxygen shows anomalous properties compared to other member of group 16. First is the atomicity. Oxygen is a diamagnetic molecule while other are polyatomic molecule. Second is the magnetic property. Oxygen is paramagnetic while other are diamagnetic. आप ऑक्सीजन का एमिटी डायग्राम देखें, मॉलिक्यूलर ऑर्बिटल थ्योरी का डायग्राम देखें तो उसमें pi2px स्टार and pi pi to py star मीन्स एंटी बॉन्डिंग. इन इसमें दोनों में एक एक इलेक्ट्रॉन होता है, अनपेड इलेक्ट्रॉन. दैट्स वाई ऑक्सीजन शोज पैरामैग्नेटिक इन नेचर. This paramagnetic nature studied in 11th standard, chapter 5, chemical bonding. Then oxidation, third property is the oxidation state. Then what is mean by oxidation state? Oxidation state is the charge present on atom of an element. Charge present on atom of an element. Suppose the atomic number of oxygen is 8. Its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. मीन्स p ऑर्बिटल में 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन है. When oxygen lose these 2 electron, they form +2 oxidation state. Oxygen lose these 2 electron, they form +2 oxidation state, and oxygen gain 2 electron to complete the when oxygen gain 2 electrons, they shows -2 oxidation state. Then last is the nature of hydrides. Hydrides of oxygen. For example, water is liquid at room temperature, while hydrides of other members of group are gases. This is due to oxygen is high electronegative element, so oxygen has tendency to form hydrogen bond. The anomalous behavior of oxygen is due to following reason. First reason is the small atomic size, second one is high electronegativity, and third absence of inner d orbital. ऑक्सीजन प्रेजेंट इन सेकेंड पीरियड. तो सेकेंड पीरियड में 2 ही शेल होती है, के एंड यल. के शेल में आएगा 1s एंड यल शेल में आएगा 2s 2p. और डी ऑर्बिटल के लिए हमें यम शेल चाहिए, तो जो इसमें होती नहीं है. दैट्स वाई absence of d orbital, oxygen shows anomalous behavior from other group member. This is all about anomalous behavior of oxygen. Then second, anomalous behavior of fluorine. Fluorine shows anomalous behavior because of its small atomic size, its highest electronegativity, absence of d orbital in valence shell, and its low fluorine-fluorine bond dissociation enthalpy. Some anomalous properties of fluorine: ionization enthalpy, electronegativity, electrode potential are all higher for fluorine than other halogens. Then second one, ionic and covalent radii, melting and boiling point, electron gain enthalpy are quite lower than accepted. Melting and boiling point are lower because fluorine are present in gaseous state. Then third one is the most of the reaction of fluorine are exothermic. Exothermic. Most of the reaction of fluorine are exothermic. Fourth one is the it forms only one oxo acid, HOF, hypofluorous acid, while other halogens form number of oxo acid. Oxo acid नेक्स्ट पार्ट में हम स्टडी करने वाले हैं. देन फिफ्थ इज द हाइड्रोजन फ्लोराइड is a liquid due to strong hydrogen bonding while other hydrogen halides are gases. Understand? This is all about of anomalous behavior of fluorine. Today we stop here.